Good day and welcome to Open Up to You, the first digital event organized by Italiana Ferramenta on our brand new platform. My name is Bruno Baldi and I am the sales representative of Italiana Ferramenta. I have worked for the company since 2003, which means that over the past 18 years I have visited on a regular basis furniture manufacturers and fittings distributors in Japan and some other countries across the 4 continents. My job is to present the vast amount of quality solutions offered by Italiana Ferramenta and to help the customers creating added value for their furniture. Italiana Ferramenta offers a wide range of products for the assembly of almost any type of furniture from the bottom to the top, including exclusive and unique opening systems and hinges for doors opening upwards and downwards, as well as a comprehensive program of hanging brackets and shelving systems. Our products create added value for our customers and their creations. Added value which is expressed in terms of exclusive design, structural stability and durability, transport optimization, easy assembly and smooth adjustments, and domestic safety. Real benefits which are guaranteed by solutions that are exclusive and certified. I am now delighted to introduce my colleague Sara, who supports me in taking care of our customers.
Thank you, Bruno. Hello, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Sara Chiarelli and I take care of the markets Bruno is responsible for. I've been part of Italiana Ferramenta's family for 23 years already, as I started at a very young age. At the beginning, I had the chance to travel and visit customers, attended fairs, and this helped me to grow up both personally and professionally. We are a team of 5 people that came from different backgrounds, and we all speak English and at least 2 other languages. We work together by sharing our knowledge and information, so it makes it easier to reach our common goals in the most effective way. And we are also able to replace each other when one of us is out of the office. Part of my job is to take care of order processing and, if needed, assist with its placement. Handle complaints by providing you appropriate solutions, answer questions about the company, lead time, terms of sales, and plan the delivery schedule to meet at best your needs. I hope we will manage to meet personally one day. Enjoy our smart event and arrivederci.
Thanks, Sara, for your precious support. I'm now pleased to connect with our partner Sugatsune. Our partnership has started in 2008 and has been constantly growing thanks to an exclusive range of products and a commercial extensive network the 2 companies successfully brought together. I now give the floor to the product team, Sakura, Eriko, Yuji, and Mario.
皆さんこんにちは。菅常工業です。本日はイタリアーナフェラメンタのオンラインイベントにご参加いただきまして誠にありがとうございます。私たち菅常工業はイタリアーナ社の日本の総代理店を務めており、12年以上にわたりイタリアーナ社の製品を日本全国にお届けしてまいりました。今回このようなオンラインイベントを通し、各業界の最先端であるヨーロッパの最新トレンドを日本の皆様にお届けできることを大変嬉しく思います。
菅常工業ではメーカーとしての機能を生かし、ヨーロッパで誕生したイタリアーナ社の製品を日本の環境にも合った品質で提供できるよう、イタリアーナ社とも協力し、独自の耐久試験も行いながら、品質面でも安心してご使用いただけるよう努めております。
また、供給面でもご安心いただけるように、お客様のご希望納期に合わせてお届けできるよう、国内の自社倉庫に十分な在庫を持ち、安定した供給ができるよう努めております。
イタリアの商品に関してのご質問、ご要望などがありましたら、ぜひ菅常工業までお気軽にお問い合わせください。
それではオンラインイベントをお楽しみください。
プレゴ。
I thank you everybody to be part of the event and thanks to the entire Sugatsune organization for such valuable collaboration. You can find the contact details in the related section. This year, Italiana Ferramenta celebrates its 25th anniversary. to properly present the company to those who are not so familiar with our history, we have prepared a short video to illustrate who we are and what we have to offer. Italiana Ferramenta has been operating the market of furniture fittings for 25 years, focusing on innovative quality products and a close relationship with partners. This relationship is testified by a qualified team of sales agents that spend 50% of their professional time abroad to keep a direct and close contact with both existing and potential customers all over the world. This dedicated approach, combined with an excellent service aimed at satisfying the customer's needs, has led to a substantial growth of the company, which has doubled its turnover over the past 5 years. Because of the restrictions brought by COVID-19, last year we were unable to exhibit at fairs and little or no traveling at all was allowed. To be honest with you, we never really stopped our activity. We made our premises safer, we carried on producing and developing new articles, and we even implemented our own platform for presenting our articles online. We were able to sustain our growth even during such difficult time, but we still miss our customers and friends all over the world. In order to maintain our ever closer connection with our partners and to face the challenges provided by the ever-changing market situations, Italiana Ferramenta has adapted its ever-evolving way of communication by combining the traditional methods of contact with updated means of digital communication. With this event, Open Up to You, we celebrate the launch of a permanent platform that will represent a more dynamic, intuitive, and fully digitalized means of engagement and information. Open Up to You is the first global event presented by Italiana Ferramenta on the new platform, broadcasted in more than 80 countries in 10 different languages, to properly illustrate who we are and what we have to offer. However, this is only the beginning. The platform is conceived as a permanent tool for the organization of bespoke product presentations, interactive masterclasses, and sales trainings, as well as to provide updates from the most important fairs of our sector. At the same time, we have developed a more dynamic and diversified approach on social media. We are very happy that we have found yet another way to be close to you. After all, we are people who interact with other people. to consolidate relations, satisfy needs, solve problems, open up to new opportunities. Because when we are closer, we are stronger. I'm now going to introduce a few product presentations. We shot a few videos to focus on both the design as well as the technical side of some of our most popular articles and some novelties too. Please send us your questions. We are now presenting Chiaro, our elegant opening system for drop-down doors defined by minimalist shapes and a distinctly smooth movement. The only visible element is a slim and neat aluminum profile to be clicked onto the side panel to cover the thin Dyneema wire. The two-handed mechanism is fully hidden behind the back panel. One article suits both sides. The minimum gap required for the installation behind the back panel is 15 mm and the drilling patterns is very intuitive. Opening strengths can be easily activated with the help of the pre-mounted screws that are positioned on the main body and allow for a softer opening. One mechanism opens doors up to 10 kilos in weight. Two mechanisms open up to 20 kilos in weight. The opening angle can be adjusted with a screwdriver, either from the front or from the rear side of the cabinet. Chiaro provides for a smooth closing. The aluminum profiles and the door brackets come in two finishes: T-matte for the brighter cabinets and black nickel for the darker panels. Chiaro and Kimana hinge provides a clean combination that reveals your design. Doors can be opened with just one key push tech or with any type of handle. Chiaro is a versatile product that presents several types of door brackets. For a luminous solution, Chiaro LED is also available with a wide range of accessories for a brighter design. Chiaro Deck is the easier way to fully conceal the aluminum profile. Chiaro Fox add technical value to your minimalist design. Chiaro Skin is the embedded solution for the side panel. We have a brand new range of aluminum profiles where you can install Chiaro that suit all your technical and aesthetical needs. The main features in Chiaro: exclusive design, two-handed mechanism, strength setting for doors up to 20 kg in weight, smooth opening. We are now presenting Kimana, our exclusive hinge for doors opening downwards and upwards. Kimana is defined by a very elegant shapes which give an added value to the furniture in terms of aesthetic and functionality. Kimana flushes with the panel and becomes a whole with both the cabinet and the door. The unique and patented design improves not only the aesthetic, but also the installation onto the panel, as the screws are vertically placed. Kimana comes with 3 independent adjustments, which smoothly provide for the door alignment in depth, horizontally and vertically. The adjustable screws are hidden by a neat cover. A major benefit is given by the exclusive kinematics of the mechanism, which guarantees the opening of the door on platform, doors and frames. Kimana is completed by a wide range of adapters to compensate different panel thicknesses and is guaranteed for at least 40,000 cycles of openings and closings. Kimana is available in 3 finishes: nickel, graphite, black nickel. We have a brand new range of aluminum profiles where you can install Kimana that suit all your technical and aesthetical needs. Kimana opens up the inner beauty of your creations. Kimana is your exclusive hinge thanks to its unique design, unique kinematic, unique possibility of compensating different thicknesses, and unique life cycle. We are now presenting Libra 87, our most complete and flexible hanger for suspended base units. The side hanger requires 4 holes to be easily drilled onto the side panel. The screw fixing version requires the pre-insertion of M6 bushes. Libra 87 can be optionally reinforced by using an aluminum bar easily fixed to the hanger with a standard self-tamping screw that goes for the whole width of the base unit. The high aluminum bar option is mainly recommended in kitchen, including the columns, while the short one for bathroom and living. The wall plate comes with 3 hanging points, which make the fixing to the wall very stable. The installation of the base unit can be carried out very easily as the hook of the hanger sits onto the wall plate from the above. The adjustment can be smoothly carried out as the screwdriver works parallel to the side panel. The safety locking of the base unit is guaranteed by the red bolt, which is patented by Italiana Ferramenta. Further stability and even higher capacity loading can be obtained by fixing the plugs to the wall through the pre-drilled holes on the aluminum bar. The side plate protrudes only by 3.5 mm, which is suitable for most types of slides for drawers. Libra 87 is a very flexible solution which can be used for all types of suspended base units and columns in kitchens, living rooms, consoles and bathrooms, with or without the cover cap. The system has a very high loading capacity, even under extreme stress and with overhanging loads. The main features in Libra 87: thin side plate ideal for drawers in a standard depth, easy and intuitive positioning and removal of the cabinet, easy access to the smooth adjustments, high capacity loading, alu bars for extra hanging points and increased cabinet stability, patented anti-turnover device. We are now presenting Libra H1, the two-handed invisible screw-fixing cabinet hanger, which is part of the Libra family. Libra H1 is positioned behind the rear panel with only small cover caps left visible inside the cabinet. It can be easily screwed on cabinets with a minimum sanitary gap of 15 mm without any pre-drilling operations. The special wall plates, to be split in two, feature oval holes which facilitate the correct positioning and give the possibility to carry out the horizontal adjustment. Placement of the holes for the wall fixation has been optimized to reduce the stress on the plate and on the plugs. The adjustment can be smoothly carried out as the screwdriver works parallel to the side panel. The two movements are 100% independent of each other and therefore make the adjustment much easier and more efficient. The safety locking of the base unit is guaranteed by the red bolt, which is patented by Italiana Ferramenta. A small and neat cover cap hides the access to the adjustments. Libra H1 is ideal for all types of wall units in kitchens, living and dining rooms and bathrooms, and the neat cover cap makes it absolutely discreet. The main features in Libra H1: universal hanger suitable for both sides, simple installation and no pre-drillings, thicker steel body, high capacity loading, patented locking device, wide and smooth adjustment. We are now presenting Target J12 connecting fitting in combination with our Integrato leveler. The system is considered for chipboard and MDF panels with a minimum thickness of 15 mm. Target consists of two elements: the main body, which requires a 10 mm hole on the thickness of the panel, and the pinion screw, which activates the worm gear and requires a 12 mm hole on the panel surface. One of the benefits is that Target can be pre-mounted on the panel in the factory, which makes it suitable for furniture kits and transportation, reduces cost for packaging, and provides for a faster furniture assembly. Thanks to the limited dimension of the protruding thread, Target facilitates the cabinet assembly inside a niche. Target can be tightened with a screwdriver as well as a cordless drill and works through the principle of a worm gear, which provides for an ideal fastening capacity. After the construction is assembled with Target, you can lower the Allen wrench key through the passing hole on the bottom and adjust our Integrato leveler. Integrato is an essential element that provides a smooth and easy adjustment thanks to the independent thread. The passing through hole is hidden by a nice and slim cover cap. The independent glide prevents any kind of marking or scratching on the floor when moving the cabinet. Integrato has a capacity loading of 175 kilos per piece and enables the installer to carry out the adjustment with a loaded cabinet. When using Target J12, the metric thread allows for a smooth disassembly. Target J12 and Integrato are frequently used as most reliable solutions for the assembly of walk-in closet, heavy-duty wardrobes, libraries and furniture kits. The only visible element is a neat and slim cover cap. A wide program of levelers for plintless bottoms is also available. Target J10 is a valid alternative if the leveler is not needed, and it's the ideal option for a quick cabinet assembly, even by the end-user customer. A wide range of drilling jigs and templates for a very precise manual drilling and installation is also available. Target is available in different versions, with a metric thread or a Euro screw, and is suitable for the assembly of any type of furniture from 15 mm thickness upwards. The main features in Target: pre-mounting on the panel, easy assembly in niches, an extremely tight fastening capacity, compact dimensions. Integrato can be used for the vertical adjustment of heavy-duty wardrobes and libraries. There are several types of fixing to the side panel and two different heights. Integrato is an essential solution thanks to its most complete program, easy installation, smooth adjustments, higher capacity loading, 175 kg per piece. With the ever-increasing popularity of thinner panels, Italiana Ferramenta has recently developed a very efficient solution for worktops. K-Top is a new worktop connector for slimmer panels with a minimum thickness of 10 mm. It's an extremely tight fitting that consists of 3 parts, which sit into a 20 mm diameter hole and a 12 mm wide groove milled into the panel. The tightening can be easily carried out with an hexagonal key that also operates diagonally to further ease the worktop's assembly on the spot. The end result is an extremely simple, smooth and tight fastening which is suitable for thinner panels and guarantees a very fast and efficient installation. Thinner panels are now becoming increasingly popular as they provide harmonious lines and proportions to your kitchen, and K-Top is the ideal solution for your minimalist design. Main features in K-Top: suitable for thin panels minimum 10 mm, extremely tight fastening, and easy mounting. Grace is the new detail for glass shelves. Defined by minimalist shapes, Grace is the ideal solution to lock glass 5 to 8 mm thick. Whether it's screw or dowel fixing, a small hole is required on the side panel. The metal group screw comes with a tip of soft rubber that locks the glass shelf. Thanks to its locking function, Grace is an ideal solution for home safety and furniture transportation with pre-mounted shelves. Grace is designed to strip any superfluous element away from the elegance of your furniture, where neat lines and harmonious proportions enhance the exclusive design of your creation. Grace is available in nickel, chrome and black nickel. Main features: exclusive design, shelf locking, domestic safety and transportation. We received several questions. Thank you very much for sending your requests in. Unfortunately, we don't have enough time to reply to every question, but we will do so as soon as possible. We have selected a few questions and will answer them right now. We received an inquiry about Libra 87. What is the capacity loading of Libra 87? Well, it always depends on the dimensions of the base units, especially the depth. If we consider a kitchen base unit with a depth of 600 mm, a height of 700 mm and a width of 900 mm and 2 open drawers, the total weight supported is over 200 kg. In which case should I have to use the aluminum bar? Well, the aluminum bar is recommended to increase the capacity loading and to evenly distribute the load on the wall. It's especially efficient for low and deep cabinets. We got an inquiry about Libra H1. How much load the Libra H1 is carrying? Well, the load capacity of one hanger equals to 75 kg, which means 150 kg for a pair. The data has been testified and certified according to the DIN normative. We got an inquiry about Chiaro. How many setting strengths do you provide in Chiaro? Well, with the screws positioned on the main body, you may activate 4 different setting strengths and achieve a softer opening for doors from 3.5 kilos and 10 kilos in weight. When 2 pieces are required to open doors up to 20 kilos, it will be possible to combine the 4 setting strengths of both mechanisms, therefore increase the number of setting combinations. We received an inquiry in regard to target. What's the difference between target and minifix? Well, minifix can't be pre-mounted on the panel and has a much more limited fastening run, while target can be pre-inserted and operates through the principle of a worm gear that guarantees an ideal fastening travel. Moreover, target is more discreet, and target J12 also provides access to our levelers through a single hole on the bottom. We received an inquiry about Integrato. Do I have to adjust Integrato when the wardrobe is empty? Actually, feel free to carry out the adjustment of your wardrobe when it's fully loaded, as the system performs very well even under stress. The capacity loading of one Integrato equals to 175 kg. A set of 4 pieces will support a weight of 700 kg. We got an inquiry in regard to Kimana. Is it possible to use Kimana for different panel thicknesses? I have a bottom 16 mm thick and a door 19 mm thick. Yes, sure. We can provide you with a full range of adapters that can be easily installed underneath the hinge cap to compensate different panel thicknesses. We would like to thank you for attending Open Up to You, our first digital event on our brand new platform. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our booth at SICAM in Pordenone from October the 12th until October the 15th, and I hope that I can visit you very soon. We will be broadcasting our next event in autumn, so stay tuned for more information. Bye-bye.